Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. This video guide is to our 4-direction Katana Kata. We'll go through it from the front, then we'll have a look at it from the side as well. Let's start from the front and we'll just name each skill as we go. Now this is a walking kata. I'm going to start by taking 3 steps forward. Right, left, right. Roof block, overhead cut, and we're turning. Wave block, overhead cut, then turning again, downward oblique, step through, downward oblique, turn, step through, horizontal cut, step through, horizontal cut, and then we're going to turn, step through, upward oblique, step through, upward oblique, overhead cut, Jodan Nakamai, Chiburi, and Note. And we move back to where we started. Now let's try that a little bit faster without naming the skills. Now let's have a look at this from the side. Again, we'll start off, we'll go through slowly, we'll name each skill, and then we'll take it a little more quickly. All right, now again, we're taking 3 steps forward. Right, left, right. Roof block, overhead cut, we're turning, wave block, overhead cut, and then turning, downward oblique, turning, step through, horizontal cut, then turning again, stepping through, upward oblique, overhead cut, Jodan Nakamai, Chiburi, and Note. And again, we go right back to where we started. Let's have one more look at this. We'll take it a little more quickly. And that is our 4-direction Katana Kata. We had a look at it from the front. We had a look at it from the side. Thank you very much for joining me.